Hi colleagues, Nick Solquist, Industrial Officer from your union, the IEU, and member of the Anglican bargaining team. We've just come out of our latest meeting that ran over today, which is a good sign employers are trying to work with us to get resolution of our claims. The three big takeaways of today: one was the Band 3 pay issue we've discovered, where Band 3 teachers in an Anglican sector are significantly disadvantaged to their colleagues in other sectors. The other one was overall pay, and we put an alternative pay offer to employers today, which was 2 lots of 3% increases annually over the next 2 years and a 5% in the third year of agreement. Anglican employers countered that offer, and we'll do some reviewing of that and write to you early in the new week. The third issue was delegates' rights and your right to disconnect, and employers will consider those in the coming days. Keep an eye on your emails for a more detailed briefing coming out. To get further movement from employers as we get to the end of bargaining, we're going to need both your support and that of your colleagues. So please feel free to share this briefing with non-member colleagues and encourage them to join you in membership of our union. Don't hesitate to contact our office if you've got any further questions about bargaining. Thanks again.